I will show you how to make a slip knot. As you know, there are several ways how you can make this crochet slip knot, but I will show you one that I found easiest and fastest to make. So this is the end of the yarn. Take the end of the yarn and put it over the main part of the yarn. You have a loop. Now take the same end of the yarn and put it backwards on the loop. Now it looks like this. You can see it looks like a pretzel. There are two ways how you can finish making the slip knot, either with the fingers or with a hook. Now I will show you how to make it with the fingers. Now take this part of the yarn with your right hand and the other parts of the yarn, the main part and the end with the other hand, and just pull it through. And you have a slip knot. If you pull the end of the yarn, you will form bigger or smaller loop. If you pull the end of the main part of the yarn, you will make the knot stronger. Don't make it too strong or too loose. Now I will show you how to do the same slip knot with a hook. Take the end of the yarn, put it over the main part of the yarn. You have a loop. Take the end of the yarn and put it backward on the loop. You have the same pretzel. Now take the hook and put it like this, backward on the yarn. Now with the other hand, take the tails of the yarn and pull it through just like this. You have the same slip knot. Again, with the end of the yarn you can form smaller or bigger loop as you need, and with the main part of the yarn you can make it stronger or looser. This stitch is essential for all crochet projects, as most of the projects begin like this, making a slip knot. I will show you one more method how to make a slip knot. It's the same pretzel method, just we will be using 2 fingers. So this is the end of the yarn. Now wrap around your fingers like this, start like this and finish like this. From this side it looks like letter X, and from this side it looks like this. Now make a space between the fingers, put your fingers through and grab the end of the cord, forming a loop. Slowly hold the end of the main part of the yarn with your left hand, and with your right hand hold the loop. And you have a slip knot. The same, the end of the cord is making the loop smaller or bigger, and the main part of the yarn is making the loop stronger or looser. I hope you like this video, and you can also check my other videos for the basic crochet stitches.